When bicycles were first invented, there was a challenge in designing them to move quickly without having to crank the pedals so fast. That problem was initially solved by taking the wheel that was being turned and making it extra large. However, this method gave speed at the expense of stability and safety. A better solution came by using a mechanism that had actually been around for thousands of years: gears. This solution was right in front of everyone's face, considering this was happening around the time of the Industrial Revolution in Europe, which was being powered by machines full of gears. One set of interlocking teeth on a circle push a set on another circle. If the gears are the same size, one gear will push the other at the same rotational speed. But we can change the size of the gears. For example, if we triple the size of the gear being driven, the two will no longer rotate at the same speed. It would take 3 rotations of the smaller driving gear to turn the larger gear one time. The rotation of the second gear is slowed down. If we reverse the gear sizes, we see the opposite effect. Now, one turn of the driving gear spins the smaller gear 3 times, and we speed up the rotation. So, different gear sizes could be a way to move bicycle wheels faster without having to crank a pedal so quickly. And the driven wheel could be the back wheel to help free up the front wheel for steering. But using 2 directly connected gears wouldn't exactly work. When one gear turns another, the rotation is reversed, so pedaling forwards would drive the bicycle backwards. The fix would have to come from another centuries-old invention, the chain drive. In 1092, the Chinese scholar Su Song was designing an astronomy tower with a clock mechanism to help track the movement of the night sky. To drive the exacting rotation needed in a clock, he developed a chain mechanism to move gears that were offset from each other. Chains similar to those we see in bikes today were sketched by Leonardo da Vinci in the 16th century. These chains could wrap around special gears called sprockets. With the chain drive connecting different sized sprockets, you could still have different rotational speeds, but at a distance and in the same direction. Having a larger sprocket at the pedals, drive a chain that turns a smaller sprocket affixed to the back wheel would allow the bike to move faster with slower pedaling. We're going to finish this up with one final chapter looking at different gear ratios in bicycles. So hold tight until next week. Thank you.